the blocks for the base units. Because we have a lug on the bottom of the unit, we need to remove that in order to put it down on the first course so we don't have an uneven block. So it's just simply taking a hammer and tapping the lugs off into place. And it's that simple. All right, we're going to install that first base course that have the lugs knocked off of them. And one of the things that we want to do is install that first unit without shifting it around on the base. We spent a lot of time leveling it out perfectly, so we want to install it nicely. We have a clamp, a cornerstone retaining wall clamp, that we're going to grab these units. 2 people are going to do it at a time. The blocks are fairly heavy, so it's a little awkward to do that on the first course. They're about just under 80 pounds. So we're going to lift it up. We'll make sure that we don't step on our base leveling pad, and then we're going to set that block down gently up against the string line, and we're done. We'll make sure that the unit is, and we don't touch it again.